Welcome to Botty's Guide to Lawn Bowls. First, let's sort out the attire. If possible, it's best to wear white. I like to add a dash of colour to keep it interesting, but nothing too flamboyant. Next, you'll need 4 things: a mat, the jack, your bowls, and your refreshments. As it's completely impossible to carry all these things by yourself, I recommend calling a friend who's happy to lend a helping hand. Now, when it comes to pouring the beverages, try to ensure they are chilled, and it's extremely important to tilt the glass. When it comes time for you to have a roll, place your hand on your knee. You'll look like a total pro. And after you let go, following your ball is a surefire way to demonstrate your expertise. To really seal the deal, talk to your ball. Offer it words of encouragement. So that's it. Cheers, good luck, and happy rolling.